In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable SafeSearch in Google Chrome. If Google search is filtering your results and you want to see unfiltered search results, this guide will walk you through the process in just a few simple steps. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Google Search. In the top right corner, make sure you're signed in to the Google account whose search settings you want to change. Next, click Settings at the bottom right of the Google search page. Then select Search Settings. You can also search for Google Safe Search settings to open the same page. On the Search Settings page, locate the Safe Search section. If Safe Search is currently enabled, click Off to disable it. If your version of Google shows Filter, Blur and Off, simply select Off. Your changes are usually saved automatically. If you see a Save button, click it to apply the new setting. If you can't turn Safe Search off or the option is locked, your account or device may be managed by a parent, school, workplace, or network administrator. In that case, you'll need to contact the administrator because the setting cannot be changed from your browser. If the setting doesn't update correctly, clear Chrome's cache and cookies by going to Settings, Privacy and Security, delete browsing data, then clear cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Restart Chrome and check the Safe Search settings again. That's how to disable Safe Search in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.